Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is my latest Easter project. I have made this vintage folio using a tutorial I found on silver sparkles or sparkles in silver. I'll make sure it's right in the description box, a link to that. It's really easy to make, just one manila file folder. Um, Also, I added some digital images here and there from paper or from Art House Whimsy and uh, Alice Print Art Studio or something like that, and then one other digital Easter egg that you'll see in here. I used papers from the Authentique collection way back when. I had it in my stash. I'd been hoarding it for a long time and thought I'd bring it out this year. Uh, for those of you who don't know, Authentique was a company that specialized in vintage images, and they have gone out of business quite a few years ago now. Um, but anyway, I just really enjoyed decorating this. It was so much fun to add all the lace and the layers and all the images and everything. So I'll do a quick run through and thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the video.